incredible lava fountains we are witnessing here in Geldingadalur on September 12th. You see lava form at a sort of a lake here, like a small lake from where it's bubbling. For some reason, I don't know why, because we have a few of such fountains also here, as you see. I have seen them before. This is not a new thing. It's somehow the inner workings of lava supply systems. Somehow it's bursting out from some tube, I guess. But the volcano has a crack here, you see, in the wall, and its lava is pumping through that crack. During my last trip to the volcano, when there was no eruption, I was showing you this crack. I drew attention because it was very well visible, this crack in the northern part of the wall, and precisely through that crack lava got through, you see, and it's pumping here into Geldingadalur through that crack. That's why people who were looking at the live cameras from Langirigur, from the long ridge, they couldn't see how lava is coming here. They saw the vents, they thought those are the vents, but in reality lava was coming through the secret way out from the crater. It was coming from the main volcano here, you see, and it was pumping into Geldingadalur, and here it was splashing out, simply originating from the main volcano through the crack, through the wall. You see, it was filling this valley through the crack in the wall, and it was splashing out here. But if you look from the long ridge, you couldn't see that. You couldn't see where the lava is coming, how it's getting here, you see. But now you understand, at least. So you see those numerous lava falls here as well. And here the lava is coming from under the surface, from under the underground. You see, is flowing out in a massive flow. Very hot, my face is burning. Beautiful flow. Lava has its own beauty in a way. And you see those shining tiny particles. Now winds intensified. When we came here there was no wind, but now winds got stronger. So this is the current situation here in Geldingadalur Valley. Lava is coming here to the sides and slowly pushing south, but you need huge amounts of lava to fill this valley, you know. It's a big valley. Numerous lava falls here, you see. And people are still here on the hill observing the show.
Да, то, что я говорил, там немножко видно вот склоны, по нему так стекает.
Вот тот здоровый, ну вообще так.
Да, и можно в принципе пройти так, что они будут вообще в ряд.